Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you want to post your message, fan art or thoughts on Weverse, in this quick guide I will show you how to post on Weverse step by step using the mobile application. So let's begin. First, open the Weverse app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your account. If you're not logged in yet, tap login and enter your email or social account and continue. Once you're on the main page, scroll or search for the artist community you want to post in, like BTS, TXT, INHYPEN or others. Tap on the artist name to enter their page. Inside the artist community, tap the plus button, usually at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap post. Now here, write your message. You can also add emojis, upload videos or photos, use hashtags like fan art or question to reach more fans. Let me just upload a photo for now. Let me go with this one. Now select this photo and tap done. Again, tap done. You also have the option to hide your post from the artists. When you're done, just tap post or publish. Your content will be shared with the entire artist community. Remember, all Weverse posts are public in the community, so don't share private info. And that's how you post on Weverse. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.